Yeah, Kron, I don't know what happened, dude, but I'm getting a new computer for Black Friday. So I don't know if that was my computer's fault or if that was YouTube not enjoying our banter, but who knows? We'll figure that out sooner or later. Okay. So, you know what I'm noticing here? Take a look at this, Crown. On our 12 minute right here on the left hand side, and I hate looking at this because then, it works until it doesn't, right? Look at the CVD down here curling, right? It's curling and just doing one of these, right? It's just curling beautifully, right? And then on this last one, it looks like it's just about to cross over into positive territory. We have this bullish divergence here. Taking that trade from here would be, in this case, the best move, textbook. And then we get this pop here. And that works until it doesn't, right? This works until then they want one more push down and they rip you, right? So this could have been a good trade here. This one could have been a good trade here because we did have the demand there. But then the breakout trade too, right? We had this breakout trade from here. Breaking out of the wedge. Could have went long here. So many coulda, shoulda, wouldas, right? Wonder what's going on in the rest of the markets. Tesla is slightly up. Nice. 344. Nvidia's up big. Mara's up big. Let's look at XRP is down today. No. You gotta go the other way. Doge is up big. DJT is down 7%. All right. All the candles tap the imbalance, right? So what do we do now, man? I don't see a signal yet to go short. Right? I don't even know short's going to be the move today, right? We don't really know that. All we know right now is that we've got what we've got. We don't have anything other than what we've already seen, which is the market's pushing to the upside. Because everyone's probably bearish, the market may want higher. That's why I say sometimes the news is the freaking worst thing ever, man. Yeah, I need to do some of that. Practicing my patience. Scalping killed my account before. Yeah, of course. Yeah, scalping could be a good thing if you're trading in a range for a long time. Tight range. But when you're in a market like this that doesn't really have any direction, like this was nasty. This was disgusting. In hindsight, looking at this price action, I shouldn't have taken any trades in here because there was really nothing other than just some absorption. I didn't see a blow off top. I didn't see anything to signal me short besides a little absorption, which sometimes can mark the reversal. But not always. Not always. You should have more of like a doji. You should have more doji candles. You should have more blow off tops. You should have more significant levels. So this was my stupidity. Yeah, that's what I was doing too. I was just taking the paper trades first. That way I didn't spend that on my actual accounts. I may go back to doing that. 1 hour and a 30-minute. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's take a look at that 30. We're in a huge range again, right? Yeah, that's why we could push higher. We could push higher. We could push all the way to the top of the range and then come down with a vengeance, right? Like, why couldn't we? Like one 12-minute candle, we could come all the way down later on today, which I'm expecting. I'm expecting something drastic later today. This whole move on the way up has been on the 30-minute. If you look at this move on the way up, it's been negative. It's been negative delta that's been moving this move up. So I don't expect it to go up forever. We had one candle that was bullish. Other than that, it's all been negative delta. And right now, it looks like we're right at that high volume, that point of control, high volume node there. We're losing delta as we go up here. So I don't expect this thing to go on forever. We'll see. 697, 836 is a huge imbalance on the 1 hour. To 836. Oh, you mean over here? Yeah, all of this could be, yeah, all of this can be recovered as well. Like all of this we have up here could be recovered. That's what I was thinking as well. Yeah, yesterday they said, oh, that was during the 350 candle. I don't trust the delta anymore. Yesterday they said billions to sell side, and me and got chopped up in a $6 range on ES. Yeah, that sucks, man. When that happens, I don't trust those 350. I try not to be in a trade around that time unless I'm just like, screw it. Like I'm already down big on the day. I'm not looking forward to trading those because those sometimes just do the complete opposite of what they should be doing. Yeah, so we got some room to the upside. Let's circle back to our 12-minute. Even the news candles are set to hit a specific target. Yeah, I see that a lot of times when the news comes out, we usually go and clear up the imbalances, or we go and we retest a certain area or rip the liquidity from somewhere. Let's see. To be honest, right now, man, what I'm thinking is it's gonna do the opposite of what everyone thinks. So I think now it's pretty clear that market wants higher. So I'm thinking I start looking for a short anywhere between now to 700s. Start looking for a possible short, but probably a lot of people are thinking the same thing. Lower high in that instant. Yeah, absolutely. So what I'm thinking is I'm thinking short. Most people probably are. Probably the majority of people out there thinking short. So what I'd be looking for right now to make the most sense would be a short, maybe like a small short. Maybe not a short right now to like the lows of the session, but maybe a short down to like the trend line. That could be something that I could look at, or maybe even at 605 here, and then look for longs at that point. But right now, getting into a long right now seems kind of risky. So a long entry till then. I'm thinking 700s as well, right? Yeah, so cool. Christian, sorry brother, I don't understand your message. If you could translate that. Christian. $601 may be my area to confirm a possible long. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing, Crown, because if we do come down to 601, 605 in that range, we did have demand here on a 12-minute. So if we start building something here, it could go higher. But a lot of times I've seen that it bounces around in here a lot, and then it still goes to the the trend line, especially now because that VWAP is going to be probably where the trend line is going to be when it does reverse back down. So that might be a better area to look at it. Okay, Christian says short. Go short. We're going to go short in just a second, Christian. Christian. That's a clever name. That's a really cool way of spelling Christian. We're waiting for the signal. I am thinking that this move is losing strength though. As you can see, the move is losing strength. But I don't have the signal to go short just yet. Long to Asian high and then push down. Come on, baby. Yeah, I think so. I think that's what I'm looking at as well. Long to Asian high is a better shot at what we got than what we've got right now. That Asian high is around 700, right? Or was it? No, it's actually, yeah, it was actually higher. It's yeah, it's actually 724. Yeah, so 725. Yeah, and that'll be a good confirmation. If we do catch that 725 though, that's gonna be a long way down. That's a nice range. That's like 300 points. 300 points would make for a nice trade, guys. I might even take that on Weeble. Come on, baby. I like the way my man talks here. I think that's Russian, if I'm not mistaken, right? I think that's Russian. Could be mistaken. All right, so we're getting some more absorption now. More absorption. These slow grinds, they're good for only one thing. Getting your stop losses taken, that's it. That's all those are good for. Let's see what's going on in the Twitter sphere for now, since we're trying to keep ourselves occupied. Nothing so far. Short with a big stop loss. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to short right now, and I'm going to give myself 75 point stop loss. Hold on a second. 75 points sounds good. Yeah, I'm going to short it right now. Absolutely. Just give me a second. All right, what I see. I think we're back. Yeah, all I can say is Yahachu Whippet Vodkin. If you think I'm gonna take a short right now with a 75 point stop loss, then I must be drunk on vodka, for sure. Yahachu Whippet Vodkin. Yeah, we've got the best trade setup of the year right now coming. We're gonna short right now with no stop loss, not even a 75 pointer, but no stop loss, and we're just gonna keep our fingers crossed and our toes and the hairs in our nose. We're gonna go with that. Good strategy. Crown, do you really do a 50 point stop loss? If you did that, is that on a micro, or is that you're doing that on minis? Or is that sarcasm? Oh, really? You do 50 points? So if you take one stop loss out of 50, you're talking about a G. Wow, dude. What's your take profit? Is it 50 also? Oh, is that the single contract on a Nasdaq? I thought it was $20 per point on a Nasdaq. So if you take profit as 1,000, then that's a 50-point move. Points and dollars. Yeah, isn't it $20 per point? I think it's $20 per point, if I'm not mistaken. Nothing happening so far right now, guys. Nothing happening at the moment. We're just being lulled to sleep. All right, so let's think about this logically, right? We've taken already this level. The daily open's already ours. The ES has not hit the open yet. Maybe that's when we reverse, when the ES hits the daily. Let's look at the ES. Yeah, the ES looks more bullish than the Nasdaq, because our point of control is way back here. Our VWAP's way back here. This thing is kind of pumped since then, but it looks like it's been doing it on negative delta. Yeah, same thing. I think we're going to reverse because the ES hits the daily open. If we reverse from here, so crown $25 and NQ is 500. I'm so confused, dude. Yeah, so I think if we get rejected here at the daily open on the ES, that could be a sign for us. Could be a sign. I wish I knew Russian, man. I could communicate with you guys a little bit better. What are your thoughts here on the ES, Crown? We still got ways to go on the ES too, right? We still got imbalances in here. Yesterday's high is here at 59.32. The ES is getting some absorption at the moment. Nasdaq is looks like it's following suit. I don't know how to. Can we translate this? Pop out chat. Yeah, I don't know how to translate that. Sorry, gentlemen. All right, looks like the daily open is holding right now for the ES. Let's see what the volatility is doing. Let's see what the volatility is doing. Volatility. Yeah, it was. I think they were translating it on their own. Looks like the volatility might be also looking like it may want to reverse. Let's see what the 30-minute is. Yeah. If I was a gambling man, I would say probably still going to move up and clear out these imbalances. Very difficult for me to believe that it's going to turn here. What do you think, Crown? I think it's still going to go. This doji's got me kind of open to the idea of shorting again, though. This doji in here, these equal highs, the daily open right here. Let's keep that on the table. Karan, are you gonna hold it for 100 points, dude, or it doesn't matter to you because you're using TopStep, right? Got to refresh my charts, guys. I'm missing some of my indicators here. Are you trading real? Okay, nice, dude. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so we've got ourselves a continuation. The ES is now a positive territory. Yeah, I think that's what he said earlier. We're gonna sweep the Asia highs over at 725 in that area, and then we're gonna come back. And I'm pretty sure that's what he was saying. And I don't know if they were clowning me and telling me to short it from here, but I'm not shorting yet. The short does not look like the idea yet. We're still got a very strong uptrend on the 5-minute here, so I don't see any reason to get bullish on bearish yet. If I see this starting to pinch, then I will definitely then be more open to shorting. This move is starting to lose strength, though. I'll be honest with you. It's starting to lose strength, but at the moment we're still just fine. Still doing just fine. We're still doing just fine, guys. This is just a very slow grind up, which I hate. I'm not a big fan of slow grinds up or slow grinds down. But I will tell you this much. It'd be nice to see this break. Let's get rid of this. If we lose this, then that'll be good. We're at the value area high, I believe, too, if I'm not mistaken. Let's look at the value area high. There's a lot of volume here, as it appears already. I think we go higher. I think we squeeze higher because a lot of the volume is here. So going a little bit past that would not be out of the realm possibilities. This could be a long opportunity, honestly, right now. This might be a long opportunity in here because I think it's going to go higher. I'm going to take the paper trade here. I'm going to try it higher. Just keep myself from pressing too many buttons. Let's see how that plays out right there. I think that we might see this pop here. If we do, it could take us up to yesterday's high. If it goes lower, then I'll be looking for maybe an entry from lower. My Russian friend says, "Oh no, he's probably right." But luckily for me, this is just a paper trade for an idea that I have here. Okay, I have an idea that this could bang up here. We see. I just see I see absorption. That's the reason I say that. I see absorption. Oh no! You never know. Anything's possible, right? That's funny. I'm getting pretty good with my left hand now. Trading with my left hand. It's funny. Nvidia's up big. The rest of the market's kind of red. Google, Meta, Amazon, Tesla. Market looks soft. Only thing really up big is. The only thing really up big today is Nvidia. Everything else is kind of all right. That slow grind, guys. Look at that slow grind. You know what happens is that when you're in a slow grind, any little indication to go long, you got to take it. Kind of like this little indication I got here. So if we do get a positive move up pretty quickly, then I will go to break even. But as of right now, it's no bueno. Yeah, I agree with you, Crown, and I think I'm seeing the absorption here on the 3 minute, and obviously that could lead to exhaustion. But Yeah, you're right. I've lost a lot more than that being wrong, buddy, and being early. You probably should be taking this with at least my Webull account. Looks pretty decent. I'm expecting a little bit of a pop. Gosh, that 30-minute drop was nasty. We got a double bottom here. Those are usually very strong. Yeah, this is usually very strong too. Very strong indication. So you see here too, this on this indicator, when you have a lower low and you have a higher low, that usually leads to a good pop too. A sustained pop all the way till you get to the other side. And that's exactly what we got here. That's exactly what we got. Not bad, not bad at all. Not too bad. I think we're gonna go much higher here, guys. I think we might hold yesterday's high. All signs are pointing to higher right now. Yeah, especially with this CVD curl. I see it. Should have taken that with my accounts too. I'm like a one-trick pony today. I'm only thinking shorts. Even though we've got lower CVD here, higher CVD there, it's kind of like a, you know, who goes? Break even? Yeah, I'm gonna go to break even. I'll take a little bit of risk off here. Yeah, I'll go to 10 bucks, 20 bucks. Let me see. Let's see, let's see. Come on, baby. I like my Russian friends here, man. They're funny. He's like, bro, break even. I don't know if I want to break even that soon because I think the price still has some possible fluctuations coming. We'll see. Yeah, everything here was green. Look at this. Everything. Excuse me. That was a perfect entry back. Came back in. Christian wants me to short. Hold on, buddy. I'm gonna short, but not right now. Let's give it a minute. I might even add to this position, to be honest. Christian's funny, man. You're a funny guy. This market takes a lot of patience, guys. Yeah, it takes a lot of patience. A lot of patience. The way it's moving right now, very, very slow. We need that patience. Patience is the name of the game. Sometimes you can hop in and make 40, 50 points really quick. Sometimes you just gotta chill. I'm a motherfucker. Yeah, these guys are hilarious, Crown. I don't know what's going on here, but let's see. Yeah, I'm about to start copying and pasting their conversations into Google Translate. The one guy's dying for me to go short right now. Even though I know the short's coming, but I don't think it's the right time just yet. I guess that long for the slow grind up was the move. Could have made some money on that, man. Should have taken that with Tradeify. Can you copy and paste these messages? He wants us to short. Ole, ole, ole. Oh, that's hilarious. You can tell these guys are funny. I'm gonna entertain these guys and see what Google Translate says. Google Translate. This is what I got from Google Translate. Christian is a great Bulgarian, a very good trader. is a boxer of all of the above. It's pretty funny. I'm sure Christian is a great trader, man. I'm sure he is. Yeah, these guys are funny. Now he eats cheese slices. He's happy with a $150 trade. Yeah, I guess so. So this trade here is up nicely, about $1,000. That was the trade of the day. If I would have taken that, that would have been very, 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 very nice. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Come on, let's go. So it looks like we're only we're not far. So on the ES we're only about looks about like 5 or 6 like 4 points away from yesterday's high. On the Nasdaq we're about 25 points. Nasdaq tends to move a little bit faster. I am a dude, yes sir. I am a dude. I am a dude. And that's for sure. This thing might have a pullback before it goes to highs, so I think I might just close this out here. You know what I think I'm gonna do? It's gonna have a little bit of a pullback right now. I'm going to most likely take this profit now and re-enter this trade, or maybe add to this trade. I might just add to this trade. Here's what I might do. It's going to leave it alone for now. I'd like to add to it, but I'd like to add to it if it comes back into this area. I'll leave it alone for now. I don't feel like this is the top. Not yet. Good long. Thank you. I think we got a little bit more to go. I'm just translating in real time for you guys with my left hand. Translation. It seems like these guys from Russia are pretty cool. And there's a Bulgarian here too. You guys have some very beautiful people in your country. Great people. Come on, baby girl. Let's go. Let's go. You got this. Papa needs a place to short from. What if Crown? What if the short never comes? What if it's just up only today? What if it's just up only? And we're over here looking for 100 point shorts. I don't know if the 100 point shorts might work anymore. So he would have been a confirmation to look for longs. Would have got into a long right here. This would have been nice. Let's see about the short situation. I'm gonna take it right there. It looks kind of weak. The 5 minutes is starting to pinch and curl, and we're looking like we are also rolling over. Strength's coming down, money flow is coming down. Could be time to short, my friends. Could be time to short. One more pump up and I'm shorting this sucker. I think I am. Looks like 700 was okay, I'm gonna wait. It's gonna be a trap. This could be a trap, a trapezoid. Even though we are losing strength. Usually get one more pop before we do go. Yeah, so I'm preparing for the short now, guys. Preparing for the short. Could be coming soon. 700, 690 would be here somewhere. 693 maybe. Not sure if that's where it might be. 5 minute wants to pinch. 12 minute, still slow. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is looks like the move has been losing strength big time. And I'm waiting for one liquidity run here to the upside, maybe with a blow off top, green candle, high volume. Once we see that, then I'd be more confident in taking a short for like a good 50 points. Because God knows I need it. 50 points would be about like 630. Yeah, about like to the daily open. I think we can hit the daily open. We might even hit the damn VWAP. Problem is that this thing could lull you to sleep, making you think it's going to go down. You can have the opposite. Could do the opposite. Some people call me the space cowboy. Some people call me the gangster of love. Under 680 is good for sell. Yeah. Yep. I think so. So you break that 680. Our man Crown uses a 50-point stop loss. That's insanity, for me at least. It's probably the best thing you can do. Looks like we're losing strength and we're rolling over. But this could go on for quite a bit. This can go on for like chop, 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 bang. So I don't want to be too early, like most of the time I am. You know, I'm the first guy at the party helping the DJ set up. Usually me. I'd rather be the last guy who comes in at the very end. Everybody's already saucy. Let's see. What's going on, Orange One? Thank you for tuning in again. I know I've been having a little bit of trouble with my stream today, but I am getting a new rig for Black Friday, so I'm waiting for those Black Friday deals. Save myself a couple bucks. Maybe buy a couple more evals or whatever the hell we're buying here. Accounts. I'd like to see a nice big green pop. Yeah, a nice big green pop. I'd like to see some volume here come in, and just maybe even run up to yesterday's high, and then that would be more confirmation. Because right now it looks like she does want to roll over. But this might just be this. This could be just this. It could be that. What's happening right now could be that. What do you guys think? Could be that. Yeah, looks like we're getting it, guys. Looks like we're getting it. Looks like that 680s are coming. I mean, that 680's here already. So this could be the manipulation to clear everybody out. We could go higher now. So my area that I'm looking at to short is definitely in this range now. If we come back in here, now if we wiped out these shorts, maybe they go long, much higher to 725. I'm sorry, now that they've wiped out these longs, now maybe they go higher. That's what it looks like. Definitely looking for shorts soon. There we go, there we go. Come on, baby. Funny how it turns around right here, area of demand. You guys see that? That demand zone in here? Turns around right in there. Quick 50-point drop. That's a huge drop. She keep going lower. Oh. She keeps going lower. That's a candle of indecision up there at the 690, 693. That candle is indecisive. Definitely looking for a short soon, guys. I'm starting to clear things out. Powering back up on the 5-minute. Yeah. Seeing that? My man wants me to go short right now. I'm gonna go short. I promise. Don't feel bad, Crown. I haven't made any money yet at all. So don't feel bad, brother. Don't feel bad, my brother. All right, so this is what I'm looking for here. And I hope I don't miss it. I really do. I'm trying to be as patient as I can, right? Because usually when I just jump into these things, I end up really hurting myself. So I am looking for a move back into this range. Now that we've recovered, now that we've kind of made our like this kind of like area here that's keeps getting rejected. If I see the price come back into this level here and try this trend line, I like to short that. It's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Okay. If we can get that one more time. I think my man wants me to long it. I think he wants me to long it. I don't know. I don't know about a long right now, buddy. I'm thinking more of a short. We're already kind of halfway to my target. Hopefully we come back a bit. Don't think we will though, because looks like we're a little late to it. We're at 660 right now. That 660 level is looking kind of weak. Looks like all of our EMAs are starting to pinch. Everything's pointing to lower prices. I just want that one more pop. I want that pop. Yeah, everything's starting to pinch. I may have to leave soon, guys, because I gotta go see another doctor, another specialist for my hand. They're gonna set my hand today in a new cast, and they're gonna adjust it. That's gonna be painful. And then I'll come back for maybe like a 2 o'clock stream, something like that. We'll go into the close. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have my wife record that. That's gonna be funny. You guys are gonna see a grown man cry. Yeah, thank you, man. I think I'm gonna be good, Orange. I'm not sure if you heard the news, but I'm not gonna need any surgery. The doctor today told me that I just have to have a specialized cast called a Delta cast, of all things, right? It's called Delta cast. A Delta cast. So we're gonna have to try that out. See how that fits. A Delta cast. Sure if I can take any more medicine before I go. A little pain will be funny. I needed a smile. Yeah. I'm glad my pain brings you amusement. All of you should be ashamed of yourselves. You know, I'll be ashamed of myself if I miss this short though, because short is really, it's lining up very nicely. It's lining up. And I hope I don't get stopped out like a little girl. 5 minutes creating that double candle thing. Yeah, this thing, like a recovery, like a full recovery. That's why I'm being patient, because usually these get a full recovery and then maybe like a pop off top. Bang. You know, but right now it looks like we might be getting some downside. Just trying my hardest not to be the first one at the party, guys. That's all. Nothing to see here. Just trying really hard. This doesn't look like a reversal just yet. I'm telling you, it usually makes a little bit more of a dramatic run to the highs here before actually reversing. It makes you think it's gonna. It actually makes you think it's gonna go higher. This looks like a slow meltdown, and sometimes it does happen like this, a slow meltdown. But I'd rather be wrong about the slow meltdown than be wrong about another pop, because if we get another pop, there's just no stop loss for me. So I'm waiting for that pop into these levels of 690s. Yeah, she'll do that to you sometimes. Crown, she'll take your money and run. I really hope this bastard's not going without us. No! No! Don't go without us. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Go back. Alright, she's going back. She's going back. She's going to run everybody's stop losses. Then we'll get the true drop. Alright, so we're confirming here that it doesn't want to go lower. It is breaking structure pretty well, and EMAs are pinching. I just hope she doesn't just take off without us. I'm waiting on this. Although this was a sign here. Yeah. There's no imbalance. She came and grabbed everything. But I'm just thinking she runs for stop losses one more time. I'm thinking she's going to run for stop losses one more time, like to the 690 area. I think this was a little weak. I think she'll grab any stop losses in here. She'll grab stop losses at 680s. And she'll come up to the 690s. And then from there, I'll short the hell out of her. I'll short her so good, she won't know what hit her. I'm gonna short her. Watch her just wake me out now that I'm talking smack. Watch her wake me out. She's like, oh yeah, you gonna short me, huh? You think you gonna short me? Wait till I get manipulation on you. Yeah, I believe in and I believe in the liquidity sweep first before we come down, down, down. I really do. I really do. One more. That's what we're waiting for here. Last one at the party. I want to be the last one. Come on, baby. Last one at the party. Last one at the party. Yeah, the slow grind down, slow grind up. Be nice if we were a part of it, but nothing yet. Have a feeling we'll get like a 50-point drop out of nowhere, just to keep it spicy. Come on, baby. Bring us up to those 690s. Bring us up to those 690s. Should have shorted from here, to be honest. I should have shorted from here from the minute that we crossed over out of this trend line. That's usually how it works. All right, we're still getting that bearish absorption. Still seeing it. I do think she comes up a bit down because this candle's looking kind of bullish. This could turn green. It's positive. If this candle turns green, that's a good look for the second opportunity here. She's a turning green. There she goes. Come on, baby girl, turn green and go. Sorry guys, the medicine's got me kind of sleepy. I know she's got a sneaky little run up her sleeve. Sneaky little run to the upside. This will keep me entertained. Sneaky, sneaky. Very sneaky, sneaky. Very sneaky, sneaky, I think. Very sneaky, sneaky. For a couple reasons. There's bullish demand in here. I'm sure it wants to take out these stop losses up here. I'm sure of it. I'm sure it wants to stop losses really bad. And it wants to give me another opportunity to short, which I hope is the right move, by the way. By the way, in case I'm wrong. Very sneaky, sneaky. You so sneaky, sneaky. NQ. Don't be so sneaky, sneaky. I think she's about to create some imbalances right now. I think she's about to create the imbalance that you guys are looking for. She could get a green. She could get a big green candle right now. If she gets a big green candle, I think we're in for a treat. Oh, sorry guys. Those meds are no joke. What's up, Captain? Mixed day for me, Captain. I max profited on one of my Tradeify accounts, and I'm down just about as much right now on my other Tradeify account. I've been taking some paper trades here to pass the time. I'm waiting for this short. So the short I'm looking for right now, Captain. Sorry, Captain. I'm on some meds, man. I broke my hand, so a little sleepy. The short I'm looking for is here in the 700 region again, maybe 690 to 700. I'm thinking we can get a second double top. I think we get a double top there. If we do, that'll be, for me, it'll make for a nice short, I think. That's what I'm thinking. Thanks for stopping in, Captain. I've been watching your streams too, dude. How come you don't talk on your streams? I'd like to hear your commentary. Man, I might need to stand up. Falling asleep over here. That's where you do your communicating, is on the chat? Gotcha, brother. Yeah, she may want to reverse now. She may. This is looking like a bearish absorption candle. We'll see if this closes the way it is right now or if it closes green. This could be Splitsville. I still got some positive CVD here, so I'm being optimistic. Still for the higher side. If not, we take it from here. I usually know how these things play out. When you're early, they get you. Still looking for that green candle, that blow off top. And it'd be silly to think that they'd leave the liquidity behind here at yesterday's high. We still have that. Keep in mind, it's at 725. We're at 700 right now. Still looking bullish. Yeah, I should have been taking these longs. That's for sure. Oh. Hey. Getting some bearish absorption here. Minutes still kind of looks bullish. We'll be patient. Hopefully we're not patient number 0. This trade is definitely going to make us work for it. We have to be super patient here. Even if we would have taken this long here, we're kind of dancing around here the EMAs at the 8 and the 13. So we're dancing on top of those on the 3 minute, and we've got the liquidity above us at the 725. So I'm thinking we head up until at least 700, or maybe right around 700. See how price reacts there. That could be the ideal short that I'm thinking here. Or maybe this is just building up some steam, you know, maybe just a plow through 725. She looks weak though. She looks weak. She looks weak. She looks weak here. I don't want to miss her. Especially because we have this trend line here. We have a trend line. She's trying to break through this trend line. There's one here. You guys can't see because it's invisible. But she is trying to break through that trend line, like right here. And she's trying to. She broke through it. You know, she just broke through it right now. So the question is, does she break through with some volume? Kind of like do its thing here, like a bright green candle. I'm thinking that's what we may get, like a bright green candle. And does that signal higher prices, or does that mean reversal time? So we'll have to see how that plays out. Pretty sure we're gonna get that green candle though. Very big green candle. Maybe at least like 20 pointer. We'll see. It's coiling up, guys. It's coiling up. Nice bear flag on a 5 minute. Mike says this is a bear flag, so we're going to go down. That's what I'm hoping to. Hoping that I can catch a short from up here. This is not looking so good. It's not looking so hot. She's not looking so hot. She ain't looking so hot. Did she get that green pop? Did she get that big green candle? I'm almost like 80% certain we get a big green volume candle here, and then we reverse. If not, then we drop from here. What's up, Big Mike? Making your millions, brother? She's looking weak, guys. She's looking weak. She's looking weak here. Looking very weak. All right, she's setting her ways here. She's getting absorbed. Absorbed here. See what she does here. She go up, she go down. Anybody's guess? Anybody in the short yet? Did anybody take the short? We are still waiting. I'm kind of still waiting. I'm waiting for that signal. Like a very bullish, like move up. Before I go short, because right now I'm just gonna be liquidity. You guys know how I feel about that. I don't like being other people's liquidity. You're in a sell, you're in a short, okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this big green pop right now. Once we get the pop, and then I'm gonna short it too. Looking for a nice juicy green pop, maybe up to like the 90s. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Go a little higher. Go a little higher. I know you got it in you. Let's see. Juicy green candle. Come on. Juicy green candle. I know you can do it. I know you're turning green. You gonna give me that take profit on that 850? Come on. Let's see if we can recover that entire candle, the entire 5-minute candle. Wow, she left us up there. She left us. She left us. That's crazy. Still think you got a little more. That was it. She's done. She comes for round 2. She said, I ain't hear no bell. She said, I didn't hear no bell. Here she comes for 850. Well, my 850 at least, to give it to me. She's at 690. Come on. Go to 690. Then we could talk. Can we talk for a minute? Come on, baby. You got this. Ooh, looks like that's where she draws the line. She go for a third time? That's her. That's her. Oh, no, that's it.
Order rejected.
That's her line in the sand, huh? That's your line in the sand?
Order rejected.
Why do you reject me? What happened here? What did I just get rejected for? That was my entry. What happened? Oh no, what happened? I got rejected, guys. I took a short and it rejected me. I got plenty of drawdown. What the hell, man? What the hell? Don't tell me I've been waiting that whole time and I just got rejected. I just got rejected, guys. I just got rejected for no reason. Oh no. I got rejected, guys. Did you see that in real time? That was beautiful. Good job, Captain. I just got robbed by Tradeify. I'm not sure if you guys saw that in real time. That short that I just took got rejected not once but twice. I have no idea why. No idea why. That was the short I was waiting for this whole time. And I just got rejected twice. Yeah. It happens, huh? Got plenty of drawdown left. Plenty of drawdown. This would have actually put us green. Oh man, I got one good hand left, guys. I got one good hand left. I'm gonna take it out on this computer screen in 3 seconds. Oh man, that was horrible. I don't know if you guys heard that. Tradeify say rejected my trade. That hurt. That really hurt. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? I can't do anything about it now because I can't jump in this trade now. That sucks. Man, I was so patient for that whole move. I was so patient for that move. I called it to the T. I said we're gonna get more pop up. I'm gonna short this pop. Got the confirmation. Everything. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. And then we come to this. She may still go higher. This might have been a liquidity run. She may still run higher. It looks like that's maybe what it'll do because we had this kind of like build up right here with CVD. And then we had one more flush. And usually when you see this one more flush type of thing, then sometimes it keeps running. It just needed to grab some more liquidity. This would have been nice though. How many points was this? This was 75, call it. 75 down to 45. Would have been a nice 30-point move. Yeah. Oh well. Oh well, guys. We live to fight another day. Who knows? Maybe we'll still get an even better entry. Or maybe we just reject here off the EMAs. No, something like that. We gotta go, baby?
Yeah,
We gotta go?
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, well, that sucks, guys. I wasn't able to catch that just now. I do have to go to the doctor's now and get this cast on my hand. So wish me luck. I will get this account green today. I will get it green. Okay? Don't you guys worry. I know you guys are very worried, but don't worry over it. Yeah, it looks like she wants to make this run. I think that was a liquidity sweep. She might want to make this run. If she gets past the trend line here, if she gets past the trend line with some volume, she may run for higher, which could make for even better entries on shorts if you believe in the shorts still. Because this to me looked like a big kind of liquidity run, because if you see the CVD curling up and then you see one more run, it's usually what it signals, but not all the time. Yeah, I'm going to record the procedure and I'll upload it to Discord. So if you guys are not on Discord, let me give you guys the link here so you guys can join the free Discord. I'll get the video and you guys can laugh at me later. Yeah, I think I'll be back around 2 o'clock. Hopefully, if I don't pass out from the pain. All right. Yeah, look at her, guys. Look at her go. Look at her go. All right. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Safe trading. Look at her go, guys. Look at her go.